Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at volatility index. Talking about V75 step index, boom and crash index on the higher time frames. We're going to see how far price has gone, and I'll start with V75 on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, what I have is that the price of V75 is ranging. I have like a triangle. Okay, price ranging. I'll be expecting price to break out of this triangle on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, price ranging, but we have this particular bearish engulfing candlestick. This candle is engulfing this particular candle, and I expect price to drop to the range bottom. I'm talking about this ascending trend line for V75 on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this engulfing candlestick, bearish engulfing, and price has dropped due to that. But for now, on the 4-hour time frame, what we are seeing around here is more like a swing low. Price is attempting to go up, so we might likely see price go to this top. So we expect the price of V75 to go up. If it's going to go up, we have this particular order block that might serve as supply area for price to likely drop for the range to continue. All right, that's for V75. Let's take a look at step index on the weekly time frame. For step index on the weekly time frame, we can see this top, we can see another top, and yet another top, more like a triple top. And this is like the neckline, so we might be expecting price to break below the neckline on the weekly time frame. We might have a retest for price to drop much lower. But on the daily time frame, what do we have? Step index is bearish. On the daily time frame, we have a bearish trend in place as price continues to print lower lows. Okay, we have price printing lower lows and respecting descending trend lines. Okay, so step index, we expect price to retrace somewhere around here. We expect price to retrace back to this particular trend line and price to drop and break this particular structure. On the 4-hour time frame for step index is obviously bearish, and we can see where the bears are coming in. Bears keeps coming in, and then you can see price breaking structures to the downside. So we expect price to kind of retrace for now before dropping. That for step index. Let's take a look at boom and crash. We'll be starting with boom 500 index on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, boom 500 index is showing that price is ranging. So in as much as price is ranging, we expect this range to continue on the weekly time frame. But if you are going to take a look at the daily time frame, you can see that the range is more obvious on the daily time frame, but it's more like ranging upwards. So expect the bulls to take it down a bit before pushing it up. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price is ranging, but ranging upward. We have this ascending trend line around here, and the day's candle is almost the candle for this particular 4-hour candle will soon be closing in the next 15 minutes, and we can already see a long shadow, and the day is almost over. So we'll be expecting price to move upwards for boom 500 index. As soon as price gets to the top, we might see price dropping on the 4-hour time frame for the range to continue. Taking a look at Boom 1000 index on the weekly time frame, price is ranging. Price of Boom 1000 index is ranging. On the daily time frame, we can see that the price of Boom 1000 index on the daily time frame is showing like a triple top. This is the first top, this is the second top, this is third top, and our neckline, that neckline should be somewhere around here. If we have this price dropping to this particular point and breaking the neckline for us to have a retest and then a further drop, I see price dropping back to this particular ascending trend line. All right, that's that on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, price is obviously bearish for the 4-hour time frame. Boom 1000 is obviously bearish on the 4-hour time frame, so we might be expecting price to retrace around here for price to continue the downtrend. Looking at the crash 1000 index on the weekly time frame, the week is still quite fresh. We have like a shadow being formed on the weekly time frame, and if the drop continues, we might see price dropping up to this point. We have the resistance around here. I see price dropping to a price form the resistance around here. I see price forming a support around here. That's for crash 1000 index on the weekly time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, we're seeing something like a tweezer top being formed. Okay, until price drops and closes at the 7262 level for us to confirm that we have a tweezer top. A tweezer top pattern, candlestick pattern, is a bearish retracement or reversal pattern. The price is going to drop on the daily time frame. We have this particular order block that might serve as our demand level for price to rise. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame for crash 1000 index, price is forming a top. Although price is currently at this particular order block, we might expect price to find some level of demand around here. Looking at crash 500 index on the weekly time frame, price is ranging. On the daily time frame, you can see price forming a swing low for crash 500 index on the daily time frame. So plotting the Fibonacci retracement tool, price has already hit the 38.2% Fibonacci level. You might see price getting as far as this 50% Fibonacci level, which is at 4714 level, or price might rise up to the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is at 4768 level. That's that for crash 500 index on the daily time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame for crash 500 index. We can see that on the 4-hour time frame, price is respecting this particular ascending trend line. We had a spike to this particular point, but look at the bulls are able to push price back up on the 4-hour time frame for us to have this long shadow showing that the bulls are stepping into the market. We might see price continue in this particular trend, which is to the upside. So that's that for the video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button if you like the video. Click the like button. Drop comment below the video, share the video, ask questions below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. And also click the bell button below the video for notification. Can go to our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more how to trade volatility index. Can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.